A layout instantly feels cleaner when the spacing starts working together instead of competing for attention. Today, how to explore spacious frame systems. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert 2 or 3 frames across the layout while leaving generous space between each section. Upload your images and drag them into every frame, adjusting the crops carefully for consistency. Select the background and apply a soft neutral tone or subtle beige gradient. Slightly enlarge one frame to establish hierarchy while preserving balance. Add thin border lines or small geometric accents with reduced opacity for structure. Use position tools like Tidy Up to align everything perfectly while maintaining